So today lecture is about measurement of variables. Assigning a numbers, by the way, two variables. Assigning a number sample to characteristics to objective according to the pre-specified test of rules. Assigning a numbers to variables is called measurement. Okay, let's discuss one by one. Scales. There are four types of scale. There are four types of scale: nominal, ordinal, interval, and the ratio scale. Apart from the four types of scales, one of another one, dichotomous variable, categorical variables only have two options. Can we have more than two options in our gender? Only two options, male and female. Yeah, one more option. We have also two. One more option. Yeah, maybe Lukman will tell me. These variables contain data that have only two categories. For example, gender, male and female, right? Okay, their position in relation to the other types slightly ambiguous. As they have only one interval, they can therefore be considered as having attributes of the other types. Okay, but very simple. Which variable have two categories? It's called dichotomous variable. This is for your information only. Another one, scale, nominal, ordinal, interval, and the ratio scale. Now, I will discuss these all scale one by one into the lecture. Scale is a tool or mechanism by which individuals have distinguished how they differ from one another on the variable of interest over study. Yeah, must differ. One variable must be different from other one. Nah, if both are same, it's mean one variable. If both are same, then why we can give them a different name? Can give them a one name because they are both are same. Anyway, four types. Nominal, collect information on a variable by grouping the data into two or more categories that are mutually exclusive. Might be it's confusion for me right now. Just give the name. Just give the name itself. It will call nominal. And the other one, okay, I will give you more example one by one. Just have a look here. In this slide, just have a look. Ordinal, allow comparison of the degree of the variable each has. Mean must give the rank. Okay, rank number one, rank number two, number order. Give the order, mean order. Interval must define the interval gap between two variables. Okay, the ratio, yeah. Since zero brings specific, true zero have a value. Okay. Here have one by one. Now we are going to discuss nominal scale. Here I can give you more detail. A nominal scale is one that allows the researcher to assign subject or assign category to groups. Suppose what is your department? What is your department? You can say marketing, okay, maintenance, servicing, personnel mean HRM, accounting, sales. Okay, what is your gender? Give the category. Okay, male and female, two categories, and you may select one. Understand? Just give the label, just give the name. In simple one, just give the name to any object is called nominal scale. But no order, without order. Later, I will discuss some of example related to these scales as well. Okay, see one of them. Nominal scale. 12 number and 40 numbers. They give the name. Okay, 12 number player, runner, and the 40 number runners who are on leading. Who are on leading in this race? 12, right? 12 leading the race, right? Or 40 leading the race. Obviously, 40 number player, the runner athlete 40 number athlete are more faster than 12 number athlete, right? Anyway, just for the example. Now let's move to the ordinal. Just give the order. Suppose here we can say, okay, 12 number on second and the 40 number athlete on. Okay, the 40 number athlete is on first number, right? We give the rank, just give the rank. Okay, maybe here. Ordinal scale, not only categorize variables. Okay, first we have to categorize in such way difference among the various categories. It also rank order categories in some meaningful way. First, we have to categorize. Second, we have to give them rank. The second step, rank. How? What is the highest level of education you have completed? First, we give the category, education. Then, what is the level of your education? This is the category. Okay, suppose high school, less than high school, might be less than, or we also can say primary school, high school, college, master, and the doctoral. This is the rank now. Which one comes first? Which one comes first? Doctoral degree or less than high school? And which one is higher? Which one is higher? Less than high school or the doctoral degree? Can you give me answer, group number 3?
Doctor degree 5 years.
Yeah, obviously doctor degree. So we can see the rank level and can identify which is better, which is bad, which is more giving us a good performance, and which one is giving us a low performance. Here, ordinal. Let's see here. First, second, and third. We can see here rank. The category of player number 1, player number 2, player number 3. But player number 1 on second position, player number 2 on the first position, and player number 3 on third position. Right? Categories and the rank as well. This one can do here good, better, best. This is also rank. Ordinal. Understand? Now let's move to the interval scale. I will have some exercise regarding these all 4 scales. Okay, no worry about it, by the way. Interval scale. No, interval scale. We must give the category and we must give the rank, category and the rank, and then we must identify the interval between 2 variables, between 2 objectives. See, whereas the nominal scale allow us only to qualitative distinguish groups by categorizing them into the mutually exclusive and the collectively exhaustive sets. Yeah, all first and the second one is purely related with the qualitative, just because name and the rank is a qualitative, no numerics and the number involved, by the way, in number 1 nominal and the ordinal here. And the ordinal scale to rank order the preferences. Okay, the interval scale, let us measure the distance between 2 points of the scale. Between 2 points of the scale. Suppose temperature. Can we measure the gap between temperature? Maybe 30 and the 31. What is the interval between 2? Okay, suppose 30 centigrade and the 40 centigrades. What is the interval between 30 and the 40? 10, right? 10. Gap, it means the distance between 2 values. Distance between 2 values. We can measure here in the interval scale. See here. Okay. Here. And interval, according to this scale, interval should be equal. Or should be the same. See here, circle the number that represent your feeling particular moments best. There is no right or wrong answer. Please answer the question here. I invest more in my work than I get out of it. Okay, see here, 1 to 5. What is the interval between 1 and 2? 1. And what is the interval between 2 and 3? 1. What is the interval between 3 and 4? 1. What is the interval between 4 and 5? 1. Understand? Can. And also can see here is the rank, also can see in this one is the bad, in this one is the good. Upper one is the good, this one is the center one. Here also can see. And more, one more here. The temperature. Distance between 10 and 20, then 20 and 30, 30 and the 40, 40 and the 50. And also can their value can beyond zero, mean still have a value, One more thing to consideration, must consider in the interval, the temperature -1. It means not, it's don't have a value, still have a value. -10, temperature mean Rehan, you should participate. Yeah. What is the value? What is the justification for -10 temperature, Rehan? All right. Yeah, -10 mean -10 temperature mean it's too hot, right? Yes. Yes. Bole. No. Obviously, it's mean too cold, right? Too cold. So the main difference, by the way, interval and the ratio scale. Okay. The value can exceed above 0 in interval and have a value, but in the ratio scale cannot. In a zero weight, we can say can be a zero weight. Zero weight is no weight. Okay, let's discuss first the ratio scale first. Overcome the disadvantage of the arbitrary origin point of interval scale. Yeah, arbitrary origin mean can go above than 0, like in temperature, -1, -2, and still have a value. For interval scale, in that it has an absolute, in contrast to an arbitrary 0, which is meaningful measurement point. Okay, what is your age? Your age can be 0. Your age can be 0. Answer. The C boy, Ridza Azman. Your age can be 0.
I think no.
Or your age can be negative.
No.
Yeah, can be ratio, but can be negative. Here, your weight can be 0 or can be -10.
No.
0 means 0, nothing. Cannot beyond to 0, but in interval can go to beyond to 0. This is the main difference, by the way. Okay, let's discuss furthermore in more explanation. Okay, see, this is the the snap picture, snapshot of the lecture. Nominal name variables. Okay, ordinal name plus order. The third one interval name plus order and plus give them interval between two variables, give the distance between two variables. Understand? And the third one, okay, name, order, interval as well, and can accommodate absolute 0 and just give the justification of 0, cannot go beyond to the 0. Understand? And here, okay, who can read this one? Longeswari, can you read this one? But we cannot hear you.
Oh, sorry, sir. Nominal scale. It
Yes.
is used to label variables in different classification and does not imply a quantitative value or order.
Yeah, it's a qualitative. As mean, just give the name. See in this picture, you can see box A and box B. Just give the picture name only. Then we can identify. Okay, SBM. What is the SBM? What is the SEFB? What is the STML? All are school, but we recognize them through their names, right? And let's go ordinal. Who will? Okay, Azman, please. Ordinal scale. Discuss the ordinal scale.
Ordinal scale. It used to represent non-mathematical ideas such as frequency, satisfaction, happiness, a degree of a pain, and each other.
Yeah, I mean satisfaction. Okay, we give the category satisfaction, but we also can rank the satisfaction. Okay, how? Here. How satisfied are you, our service? Here, this one is stand for, who can explain this one? This emoji. Very, not good, very angry. Like, less angry, neutral. Okay, less happy, more happy. Understand? It's also sign of some category, ranks. No? Okay, now let's move to the interval. The Lukman, please discuss this one.
Is defined as a numerical scale where the order of the variables as well as the difference between these variables is known.
Yeah, just involve the numbers. Just involve the number. Numerics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and choose one number. Choose one number because we have to give the interval. If we don't have a number, how we can measure the distance between two numbers? Can we? Cannot. Might be you simply say these all pictures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 give the number. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's mean okay, the one number mean is more angry. This one is less angry. This one is the number 3 is a neutral. Number 4, okay, less happy. But this one is more happy. Give the numbers. Then we can measure the distance. Now, if here is a 1, here is a 2, and the difference is 1 between two. Between two values, 1 and 2. And 2 and between 3 value is, interval is 1, right? We can measure the interval now. And also we can go beyond to the 0. Arbitrary values can, here rate from 1 to 7 your experience here. Very good. This one, okay, maybe. Can see. Rate from 1 to 7 mean very unsatisfied and very satisfied. Understand? Got it? Because numbers. If we involve the numbers, simple mean it's an interval. Okay, now whose turn? She know very well. Whose turn? Whose turn? She knows very well and she can explain ratio scale. She
It's
don't
a
know.
variable.
Ah, good. You can understand me. It's mean you know my, you can paham my English, paham Angreji.
It's
Okay.
a variable measurement scale that not only produces the order of the variables, but also makes the difference between the known variables along with information about the value of the true zero.
Value of the true zero. True zero, we already understand. Okay. Suppose true zero. One more example I'm giving you. The cup of tea. The cup of tea don't have sugar. Its a value is 0. Don't have tea mean no sugar. It's a true value. If we have a 1, 2, 3, we can say cup of tea have a -1 sugar, -2 sugar. Put -1 sugar into the cup of tea, or -2 sugar in cup of tea. Can we say? It's meant 0 mean or no sugar in the cup. So we have to add the value. Suppose other one is the ratio. Wait, and noted here. 10, half of 10, 5. Half of 10, 5. What will be the ratio if divided by like this? What will be the 2 ratio? Understand? See, 2 will be the ratio, na? If we divided, okay, 10, half of 10 is 5. If we divided 10 on 5, it will be 2. Answer will be 2. This is the ratio, by the way. Okay. Can explain more. Just wait for a minute. Highlights. Might be you may remind me when we will go for data analysis. We have to use all 4 scales to measure. Okay, the semi ranked, semi-test, standard deviation, variance coefficient, standard. For your information, you can keep this one. Okay, let's discuss this one. Are there more than 2 categories? Are there? Deciding how to categorize a variable, how to categorize a variables. This, the tree, these branches can help you. This sketch can help you. Okay, are there more than 2 categories? No, then variable is dichotomous, mean 2 categories, only 2 categories. Okay, if yes, go further. Can the categories be ranked order? Can variable can be divided in order? No, the variable is a nominal and categorical. Simple. Just can we give the name, but we cannot give the order. It's mean the nominal. Yes, but we can give the order. Yes, then are the distance between the categories? No, obviously now we can give order, but we cannot just calculate the distance. Then will be a variable is the ordinal. But yes, I can calculate the distance between the 2 values. Then variables is the interval or the ratio. Understand? The only difference is the between interval and the ratio. Only difference is the true zero. Okay, another sketch here. More. See here. Data consists only number. No. If yes, data in order. No. Data in order. Is more information for you. Please read and listen me carefully. Okay. Data in order? No, it's a nominal. Data in order? Yes, ordinal. Because data consent only number. If no, we can move to the nominal and ordinal. Yeah, data has a number, then we can move to interval and the ratio. See the yes one here. See here. Question 0. If the zero known, value of 0, if we have, yeah. If yes, the ratio. But we know we don't have any value of 0. Maybe can we go beyond to the 0? Then we move to interval. But we know have a value of 0, we can go to the ratio. Understand? Obviously, 0 weight. You have a 0 weight, means you have a no weight. Understand? Have a value. 0 mean nothing, no. But in interval, we cannot. Even we can move to 0, like negative temperature. Understand? International dimensions, okay, for later, this one. Okay, and see, might be how to identify the questionnaire. If you have a questionnaire, how you will identify which items are, which variables are nominal, which variable are ordinal, and which are interval, and which are ratio. Let's record the here. I have to write dichotomous is 1 and 8. Nominal is, note the number 3, 7 and 9. Ordinal is 4, 5, 6. 4, 5 and 6. Ordinal. Interval and ratio. Interval and ratio is 2, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, now we can move forward. Here we want to see dichotomous number 1. See here, this is a dichotomous because only 2 categories, male and female. Got it? The other one is, and other dichotomous we also can see here, yes and no. See here, only two categories. Do you have source of regular exercise other than gym? Give the option yes and no. Only two categories. Okay, now we are going to check the nominal. Nominal mean 3. We check the 3, 1, 3, 7 and 9. 3 here. Which of the following best describe your main reason for going to gym? Please click. Relax. Okay, improve fitness and lose weight, but not in the rank. These are in rank? No. Relax is different thing. Fitness is different thing. Lose weight is different. No rhythm between two. And the other one is 7. Let's see the 7. Here, are you usually accompanied when you go to the gym? Accompany when you do, or do you usually go on your own? Please, my own, with friend, with parents. A different, na? No rank, but have a name, have a characteristics. Okay, then the 9 one, 9. Here. See here, 9. If you replied yes to question B, the sports, cycling, C types, the category. See, in our school, maybe which school you are teaching, we can write SBM, STML, understand? And SEFB, SQS, different, na? Law school, you can choose. Okay, now we can see the ordinal and we give us a more clear picture. Oh, here. Sorry, here. 4. When you go to the gym, how often do you use the cardiovascular equipment? See, always, usually, rarely, and no, never. Giving them a rank, good to bad, low to high. Understand? Can we judge low to high in rank number here? With my friend parents, we cannot. Understand? We cannot. And another example is 5. See here, also same, always, rarely using. And the 6 also same. See here, how frequently do you usually go to the gym? Every day, 4 to 5 days, 2 to 3 days, once a week, 2 to 3 times a month. See, increasing from low to high, increasing. See, from low to high, rank increasing, or might be also can decreasing. Understand? This is the main things to realize in the questionnaire. Okay, low to high or maybe high to low. Now the ratio, very simple. C2, number 2. How old are you? How old are you? I'm asking you question, Lukman. How old are you? Umur. Saya umur. Apa umur? How to say? How old are you? Apa umur?
23.
Berapa umur?
23 years old.
Oh, you're telling your age, huh? Okay. Azman. Yeah, girls should be ready. I will ask you same question. Girls should be ready. Azman. Berapa umur?
22.
22. 22.
Yes.
And Rian. Berapa umur? Oh, it's very, privacy for the girls, I think. No? Okay.
23, sir.
23. And Logeswari?
23 also, sir.
Okay. Probability is between. We can find the interval, by the way, between Rehan age and the Azman age. 22 and 23, right? Interval. And we also can make the rank. Okay, which one has a higher age, another one is okay. And the age here, numbers can go point, can go in point. Also can go in point. 23.5. 23 mean year and 0.5 mean 5 month. Understand? Numbers. See, numbers involved, right? Not the characteristics, quality involved. And the other one is 10. See the 10. 10. Here, see minutes. During your last visit to the gym, how many minutes did you spend the cardiovascular equipment? Here, give the name or numbers, numerics. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and the 11 and 12. 11 and 12. Here, you can see 11 and 12. Here. See, 70 minutes and 5 minutes. Okay, la. Numerics involved. Numerics involved in interval and ratio. Here also can get the data. Wow, see, they converted variable 1, variable 2, variable 3. This is data for your information, how to record the data as well. Okay, I will tell you when we will use the SPSS. Please collect your data early as possible. We don't have so much time, by the way. This one for you all. For you. Can you give me answer? Please read this one first. Comparing the scales, nominal versus ordinal interval and the ratio. Baseball uniform numbers only serve to differentiate players. No ordinal order, no meaningful difference interval, no meaningful ratio or true 0 point, no numbers involved. Only comparing the baseball uniform numbers. Mean is related to only nominal. It's nominal, not even order, not even interval in the ratio. Because we just give the numbers, baseball uniform numbers. Category, not category, even just give them. Yeah, category, not rank. We cannot give them rank. We even cannot, if we cannot give them rank, how we can calculate the interval? We cannot, right? Yeah. This one. Now it's your time. Class exercise. Now it's your time. You have to give me answer. I will ask you which one is nominal question, which one is ordinal, which one is interval. Okay, now please have only 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 7 minutes. 3:20, I will knock you again. 3:20, I will knock you again. Okay. Okay, give me answer. Hello. My student, are you around? I'm repeating you again. What is the difference between ratio, interval, and the ratio? While interval and ratio data can both be categorized, we know. Ranked, we know. And have an equal space between, okay, values, mean interval, yeah, we know. Only ratio scale have a true zero. True zero. What is, for example, temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit is at an interval scale because zero is not the lowest possible temperature. So zero can go beyond to the zero. But in the Kelvin scale, a ratio scale, zero represent a total lack of thermal energy. Zero mean no energy. Zero sugar mean no sugar. Understand? Have a zero value, and we cannot go to beyond to zero. Okay, that's all for